Everyone, so now we are going to do the point to point network. In this one, what we have in the point to point network, we have the DR and BDR. We don't have the DR BDR. In point to point network, we will not have DR BDR. We have the hello timer will be 10 second, dead timer will be 40 second, neighbor will be discovered automatically. Okay, point to point means not any other special configuration. Point to point means we will use the serial connection. An example for point to point is a serial link connecting between two routers by using the point to point. So just we need to connect the two routers by using serial link, and we need to configure the router as we do before. Just we need to assign the IP address and we need to configure the router. That's all. This is a basic configuration whatever we do till now. Only this configuration we need to write. After that, with this command we can verify. As per our theory, we are saying the network type is point to point. Hello timer, dead timer will be same, and we don't have DR BDR. If you see, we don't have anything DR BDR, and if you see here also DR BDR is not there. So this is very simple lab only. So now let's do the configuration. So what I will do here, I will switch off this all routers, and we can take any two router and do that configuration. So let me stop this one. Let me check if I have any. Maybe let me check we have any point to point network point. Maybe I don't have here. We need to design. Anyhow, we will design now. So what I will do here, I will create new project. I will write here point to point network. So what we will do in this one, just we need to have the two router R1 and R2. Just we need to take the Ethernet. We will use the serial. Point to point means serial. Right click, go in the configuration slot, serial, I think 80. Okay, so 80, just check here. Yeah, we have the serial. So just go here also, configuration slot 80. This is the 80. So now we have the serial. Just go here and take the serial. This one 3/0 here also. Here we don't have 3, so we will take 2/0. Anyhow, we can take anything, no problem. So we have 2 here. This side will be 3, or we can edit here. Go slot, instead of this one 80 we second, right? Here again take 80, so you will have the same slot. And let me delete this link, and now I will connect again. So we will have here 30, here also 30. Both sides will be same, so easily we can copy paste the configuration. So this is what we can say, this is interface network we are going to use here. 192.168.1.1, 192.168, this one, this is will be here, and the other side this will be here. Okay, so now we need to verify the term what we are saying. So configuration is very simple. We can type directly. If we want to type directly, we can type directly. Let me take the console of the device. R1 came, R2 came, and now we can do the configuration directly also. How we can do means directly, just or if you want, I can do in the notepad. Let me save this configuration. This is a point to multi point lab. So we can save this notepad here, this one, and then I will take new notepad here, point to point. So this is a R1 configuration. Same thing like enable config T, host name R1, interface serial S3/0, and we can assign the IP address 192.168.1.1, 255.255.255.0, and we can write no shut here. And then if you want to write the OSPF, we can write router OSPF1, and then interface, we can go inside the interface also. We can go inside interface and write IP OSPF 1 area 0. This is a configuration for R1. We will copy the same thing. We will divide the page and we will paste here, and we will modify the configuration. This should be R2 and this should be R2, this should be R2, and interface is same both the side. Let me check. Yeah, 3/0, 3/0, so this remains same. So I will copy this configuration from here to here. I will go here, I will paste the configuration here. Okay, and now let me go here and I will copy this same configuration. I will paste this here also. Here we will go and we will paste the configuration here. So now we can check what we need to check. Network type. So how we will check? We will write here. First we need to wait till they go to the full state here. After that we can check. We will write show IP OSPF neighbor. So what we told, in point to point we will have the neighbor, but we don't have the DR BDR. So we don't have DR BDR here. If you see in our notes, in the point to point here, what we told, this one we don't have the DR BDR. Hello timer will be 10 second, 40 second. Neighbor will be discovered automatically, this one dynamically. So neighbor already discovered this one, and we don't have DR BDR. Hello timer we can check here, like show IP OSPF interface serial S3/0. So here we can see the timer. This is a hello timer, and network type, this is a network type point to point, and here we don't have the DR BDR here. Okay, so this way we can prove this. So if you see, this is the output. We check with these two command, and this output just now we check, we have point to point and the timer, and here we don't have the DR BDR. So this way we check just now. Okay, here. So let me stop. With this one we finish the network type. So what we will do in our next class, we will do the OSPF multi-area lab. Like example, here will be area 0, here will be area 1, here will be area 2. So how we can configure this way, and after that we will do another lab, that is multi-area with redistribution. If you want to send the other routing protocol, like here we have the RIP, here we have OSPF, here we have OSPF, here we have OSPF, here we have OSPF. So how we can send the RIP route in the OSPF and OSPF route in the RIP? By using redistribution we can do that one. So we will do that one also. So in our tomorrow class we can do this two thing, and also we have the summarization. If possible we will do summarization also tomorrow. So these, when we finish this all, we have more 2-3 topic in the OSPF, then we can finish the OSPF, we can start the EIGRP, then after that BGP. So let me start.